welcome to another episode of Henry and Josh's Unboxing Show. I'm Henry Higgins.
And I'm Josh Higgins.
And as you can see in front of us here, we do have a nice little array of figures. The Harley Quinn one is being taken out because we have two Harley Quinn figures over here still to be unboxed as well, plus a number of other Harley Quinn figures on their way. So we're going to be doing a Harley Quinn special down the line. So we'll get to that then. Wonder Woman here. It's a fantastic statue. It's from the same collection as the Harley Quinn Garage Inc. On her motorbike figure. This is going to be unboxed on a separate video, so we're going to be doing that as a little special as well, which leaves these little bad boys. So what have we got, Josh?
So here we have two different types of figures. So we have three metal hood die-cast. We have Batman in tactical suit. We have Cyborg. And we have Aquaman.
Yeah, all from the Justice League movie. And if you're a long-term viewer of the show, you know that we love the metal die-cast figures. Got quite a few of them. They're really sturdy. They're fantastic to stand. They're really stable. These are the smaller ones. You can get the normal size ones and you can get the bigger ones, which we've got up here. We've got the big Iron Man, we've got the big War Machine and the big Hulk. They're in the lounge. We've also got big Stay Puft Marshmallow Man. And then we've got a load of regular ones, including the Ghostbusters, some wrestlers, some Walking Dead. And we've got these now. These are the first of the small ones we've got, yeah? Here, we've also got some comic book Justice League as opposed to movie Justice League figures. With this, we have Flash and Supergirl. These were purchased from Home Bargains. Home Bargains in Bangor. Carnarvon didn't have them. And these were purchased from Zavi along with the Harley Quinn and the Wonder Woman. So, which one should we do first then, Dad?
I think we should take the metal figs die-cast first.
Okay, we'll position these over here. Right, let's have a look. We'll just do them in order left to right, yeah?
Yes.
Tie them there. And there you have it. Now, with these, as always the case with the die-cast figures, there's no articulation. They are designed to be posed. That's their purpose. And they do it very well. The Aquaman there with his 5-pronged trident. So this is, let's say, from Justice League. So before the Aquaman movie. And quite a bit of weight in it. What do you think?
I think, as most of these figures are, so we've never had the small one before, we don't know, but they are actually quite detailed.
Yeah.
You can see all the scales on the outfit here. There, obviously.
Yeah, it's a good likeness of Jason Momoa from the movie. In his full scale armour. Which one do you want to crack open next, bro?
Let's open the Batman.
And now we have Batman. The cape has a little bit of give to it, which is nice. Makes it feel a little more tactile. It's an armoured Batman. You can see, if you look at the inset there, you can see there's really nice detail on the gauntlets and on the goggles and cowl. He's obviously in a battle pose, and it's another nice little weighty piece. They look good together as well. Just obviously to put that out there. Lastly, we have Cyborg, who seemed to be quite neutered in the movie. The Justice League movie was quite a divisive movie. Yeah, I mean, we enjoyed it. I'm not going to say we didn't.
Definitely expected more.
Expected more, which is where the Snyder Cut seemingly comes in anyway. So we definitely expected more with that. And it seems there was more to it, especially when it comes to the character of Cyborg. A lot of people got done dirty in that movie though. At least of all, Steppenwolf, the villain, really, really anticlimactic as a villain. And I understand he's obviously setting up Darkseid, so he can't be this overpowered thing because he's like the mini boss, if you're looking at it from a video game perspective. But he was still underwhelming. Now, Cyborg here, this is closer to his look towards the end of the movie, where he's almost fully plated, because through the majority of the movie he's kind of bare bones, isn't he, with his metal? Again, this is another nice action pose. It's a detailed figure on the helmet there and on the armour. What's your opinions on it, Dad?
I do like it with these figures. Whenever they get something in a metal suit, they always do make it look good. And obviously, since it's metal, it does have a really nice shine to it.
I was just thinking the same thing. The light from the camera there is popping on it really well. And what I like about these figures also is due to the size of them, they don't take up much room on the shelf, so they can slot in between bigger figures as well. But yeah, it's a good weight to it. As I said, they stand really well, and that's a nice little trifecta there. Would you agree?
I would.
Favourite of the three?
I do like Cyborg.
I'm heading towards Aquaman on that. From the back, Cyborg could pass for Robocop as well. So we'll position those fellas over there for now, while we crack open these two. Now, Josh did mention to me that I erroneously called this one over here Supergirl, when it's actually Wonder Woman. Supergirl isn't in the range at all. So as you can see on the back here, I mean, we've got Batman, the Flash, Green Lantern, Superman, and Wonder Woman. So this one is the Flash. And again, these are static figures. They come out really nicely. They're in a clamshell, so they can be easily reboxed if you're such inclined. These are plastic. They are much lighter than the die-cast figures. They're also much more cartoony. You can see there, but it's definitely Flash. You can see there. It's a really nice Flash costume. What do you think, Josh?
Yeah, I agree with you when you say it is definitely a lot more cartoony, not as detailed as the other figures, but it still is a really nice figure to have put on display.
Yeah, it seems like a pretentious thing to say, but they're more adult collector things. These are more kids collector things. Yeah. But sometimes that's how things go. See how easily that just slides out?
It slides out, and the figure isn't even put on with any wires or anything like that, so it just box slides open, figure slides out.
So this is Wonder Woman, and nice detailing on, again, but even though it's slightly more cartoonish than the die-cast ones, there's nice detail in her hair, massive eyes, which is a classic trope of cartoons, and nice detailing on the costume. It's a classic costume, and the lasso of truth there, her bracelets.
The lasso does actually have, it isn't just plastic. Well, it is, but it can be moved up and down.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's a really nice little figure as well. Flash, I don't know if you can get a good look there, but Flash has got a really serious look in his face. He's off there, looks like Eobard Thorne's up to some trouble. Again, they have, these ones actually have limited articulation in the arms, but it's just the shoulders that turn. There's no motion. Looks like some kind of articulation in the head. Nothing spectacular. Again, these are little posing figures, but they are action shots. So Flash is running, obviously. Wonder Woman's running as well, but they're nice little figures also. If we bring everyone in, there we have our full Justice League from the movie, really, which is a coincidence, but it's a very, very happy one.
Yeah.
and I'm really happy with them. These were part of a 3 for £30 deal along with the Harley Quinn figure actually. These were $3.99 each, the smaller die-cast ones. I think they normally retail about $9.99, so those were good deals as well. Very happy with them. Smaller scale figures for the collection. We'll find somewhere on the shelves for them. Stay tuned to the end of the video, you'll get your usual little close-up shots in the display for them. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for taking the time to tune into this video. We will see you again soon on the next video, which will be the unboxing of the Wonder Woman figure. I'll also have another DDP yoga catch-up and video diary next week as well. You're here for the rest of this week. After that, we're not really sure what's happening. This whole pandemic thing has put everything up in the air at the moment, hasn't it? Thank you very much for watching. Please like and share the video, leave some comments down below, and we'll see you again soon. Goodbye.